Hey everybody, it's Paul 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we are here on the Capitol Railway over at Six Flags America. Now this has been a POV I've been dying to do for 7 years. So right there's Voodoo Drop, and it's usually open on Saturdays and Sundays, but I do not get to this park on Saturdays and Sundays. So I was lucky enough that there's a private event, they have the train going, and I'm gonna have a long walk back, but I'm going to do that to capture this POV. So right here, you pick it up right over there by these, what is it, Chop 6. And right there is Voodoo Drop. And it starts off going right through the, what's it called, the Mardi Gras section here. But yet again, this train is open on weekends only, but we got lucky because of a private event. And that's kind of nice, have a nice little fountain right there. And right there's a great view of the flyers right here. And there's Wild One. Welcome to Mardi Gras. There's a second train for Wild One. You hardly ever see that. So this takes you into sections of the park that you really don't get to see. And you really realize that this was a nature reserve for years. Of course, there's the maintenance side of things. And there's another train, the older one. The very older one. But like I said, I've been trying to do this POV for 7 years, so I'm glad to, on my final trip to Six Flags America, I finally got a chance to do it. Now, there's a private event here over in the Oak Grove section, so that's where we're going. So I won't be able to do the full circuit because they're only letting you go one way here, but with that being said, the fact that I got on this is a victory for me. It's kind of neat here, park train here. Justice League. There's so much wilderness back here. It's a shame that this is going to be disappearing soon. Back here, you actually forget you're in the middle of a Six Flags park. This takes you to the Oak Grove section here. Yep, Oak Grove. I think we took this train a long time ago, Jeannie and myself, but it was before we had the YouTube channel. But this is the Oak Grove section right here. This is really nice back here. Alright, so I think we're at the Oak Grove section right here. So I'm going to pause it and then show you Oak Grove and then my walk back. But that was the POV of the Capitol Railroad. So just hold and we'll show you a little bit of the Oak Grove section. Just real quick. Alright, so this is the Oak Grove section here, and they're being nice enough to show you the full circuit here. So in a second we're going to take off again. Alright guys, check it out. I got the train to myself, which is amazing. But they're nice enough to show you the full circuit. So this is the Oak Grove section here, where they have all their, and if you look at it from the park, the Oak Grove section is literally right by the Penguins Blizzard. That's how you would enter from the park. But This train ride gives you a great view of all the land that this park has. Now most people don't realize this park has. It really is a beautiful park. Right there's Wonder Woman through the trees. Let's see if I can find it there. There's Wonder Woman. And over here, this is coming back here. Here's Ride of Steel. Superman Ride of Steel. With its 2 new trains. And back there is Batwing, which we hope will ride again soon. Over there's Joker's Jinx, and we're actually going to go through the Whistletown section. There's Whistletown right there. And wow, you can actually see a few things that are back here on Whistle Stop. Some of the rides that are still here. There's their balloon ride. Right there's the mini train they had. Yep, here's the Whistle Stop train. The only other Whistle Stop I saw was at Magic Mountain. Right here's good views. There's a splash pad that was back there. And there, of course, is Wild One and Firebird. And right here's Joker's Jinx, where we usually see the Whistle Stop. The great thing about trains is you can see parts of the park you never get to see. I really hope these 2 coasters right here survive. And there's a covered bridge. There's actually a covered bridge, people. How awesome is that? And now we're pulling into the station. And there's a drop on it. And here's a look at the colored bridge. Back there that we just came through. And here we are pulling back into the station. So, that is the full POV of the Capitol Railway. Thank you, Six Flags America, for allowing me to do this. I've been hoping to do that for 7 years. And if you like it, make sure you like and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you in the queue in 2025.